Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. I am your maths teacher Anjali Daya. Let us start our topic money and bills. Let's look back. Here are 6 children with the money they have saved in their piggy banks. Count the money each child has collected and write the amount in the boxes provided. Then answer the questions that follow. Now, Avik has 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 rupees. Now 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20 rupees. And Rishika 5 plus 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and 21. Next Nishi 5 plus 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 rupees. 5 plus 5, 10 plus 5, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 and 22 and 23. And 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19 rupees. Now first, which child has maximum money in the piggy bank? तो किसके पास सबसे ज्यादा पैसे हैं? That is 23 rupees. मन्नत के पास. किसके पास हैं? मन्नत के पास. Now next is which child has least money in the piggy bank? सबसे कम किसके पास है? सबसे कम है 17 rupees अविक के पास. अविक. Next, what is the total amount if all children combine their saving? So total amount कितना रहेगा? That is 17 rupees plus 20 rupees plus 21 plus 18 plus 23 plus 19. So 9 plus 3 is 12, 12 plus 8 is 20, 20 plus 1 is 21 plus 7 is 28. 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. 118 rupees. 118 rupees. Now fourth, if all children save an extra rupees 10 each, how much money will each child have? तो जितना सबके पास है उसमें सभी में हम क्या करेंगे? 10 रुपीज ऐड कर देंगे. तो ये बाकी के 2 क्वेश्चंस आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. Now next is money. We have already learned that money is what we use to buy things and pay for services. Each country uses its own form of money called currency. Different countries have different currencies. We know that money is represented as a combination of rupees and paise with a dot separating the two. The digits to the right of the dot indicate paise while those to the left represent rupees. Now think. What is the name of the official currency of India? That is rupee. Write its symbol this. Now lock into your brain. 1 rupees is equals to 100 paisa. Thus 1 paisa is equals to 1 upon 100 rupees or 0.01 rupees. Now no more. The currency symbol for rupee is inspired by the Devanagari script. Coin of 50 paisa and below are no longer in use. Now 4 operations of money. Example 1. Riya buys a book for rupees 45.50 and a pen for rupees 10 rupees 75 paisa. How much money does she spend in all? Now solution. So we have to add the amount. So cost of one book is rupees 45.50. Cost of one pen is rupees 10.75. Total money spent by Riya is equals to rupees 45.50 plus rupees 10.75. We add it. Decimal को decimal के नीचे align करेंगे और add करेंगे. We got rupees 56.25. Thus Riya spent rupees 56.25 in all. Now example 2. Aman had rupees 1000. He bought a toy for rupees 675.50. How much money is left with him? So we have to subtract. Now solution. Total amount Aman had is 1000 rupees. Amount spent on a toy by Aman is rupees 675.50. Amount left with Aman. So we have to subtract. Rupees 1000 minus 675.50. We subtract it, again we align the decimal, we have 324 rupees and 50 paisa. Thus, Aman has rupees 324.50 left. Now, unitary method. We know how to add and subtract money. Now, let us learn about the unitary method, which uses multiplication and division to find the cost of an item or a number of items. Tina and Sam are at candy shop. She notices a sign there. 5 candies cost rupees 10. Tina wants to know the price of 1 candy to calculate the cost of the 7 candies she wants to buy. Sam says, Tina, that's easy. We need to use the unitary method for this. Now, the unitary method is a way of finding the value of a single item and then using it to calculate the value for more items. Let us see how it works with Tina's example. If 5 candies cost rupees 10, then to find the cost of 1 candy, we divide the given cost by the number of items. So, cost of 1 candy must be less. So, we have to divide rupees 10 divided by 5. 5 to the 10, that is 2 rupees. Now, Tina knows each candy costs rupees 2. So, to find the cost of 7 candies, we multiply the cost of 1 candy with the number of objects. So, हमें ज़्यादा का निकालना है तो we have to multiply. So, cost of 7 candies is equals to rupees 2 into 7, that is equals to rupees 14. Let us consider a few more examples. Now, example 3. A chocolate bar costs rupees 25.25. If Kittu buys 4 such bars, how much will he spend? Now, solution. Cost of 1 chocolate bar is rupees 25.25. Cost of 4 chocolate bar must be greater. So, we have to multiply. So, rupees 25.25 multiply by 4. Multiply as usual, we got rupees 101. Thus, Kittu will spend rupees 101 for 4 chocolate bars. Now, example 4. Rahul has rupees 150. He wants to divide this amount equally among his 5 friends. How much will each friend receive? So, we have to divide. Solution. Total amount with Rahul is 150 rupees. Number of friends कितने हैं? 5. So, amount for each friend. So, we have to divide 150 in 5 friends. So, 150 divided by 5, we get 30 rupees. Thus, each friend of Rahul will receive rupees 30. Now, example 5. 4 friends contribute rupees 250 each to buy a gift. They spend rupees 700 on the gift and decide to share the remaining money equally. How much money will each friend have? Now, solution. Contribution by each friend is rupees 250. Total contribution by 4 friends. एक फ्रेंड 250 कर रहा है तो 4 फ्रेंड्स का कितना हो गया? मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4, दैट इज 1000 रुपीज. अमाउंट स्पेंट ऑन द गिफ्ट कितने का आया? 700. रिमेनिंग मनी इज 1000 टोटल था, 700 का गिफ्ट आया तो रुपीज 300. Money each friend receive. Now distribute the left out money among 4 friends. So we have to divide. So 300 divided by 4, that is equals to rupees 75. Thus, each friend will have rupees 75 on sharing. Now, find and write. Choose 3 items with prices in Indian rupee and find out what their cost would be in another currency like the US dollar or British pound. With the help of an elder, share your finding with class. Now, lock into your brain. When adding or subtracting money, write the rupees and paise in column, making sure the dots are lined up. Then start adding or subtracting from the right side. Next, when multiplying money by a number, ignore the dot while you are multiplying. Then put the dot 2 places from the right to show the answers in rupees. Next, when dividing money by a number, divides as if there is no dot, then put the dot 2 places from the right to get the answers in rupees. Now think and do. A group of friends go to a fair. They collectively have rupees 500. They spend money on the following items. First, entry tickets rupees 50 per person for 4 people. Snacks rupees 75.50 in total, and game token 5 tokens each costing rupees 20. After these expenses, they decide to equally divide the remaining money. How much money does each friend receive? So total amount कितना है उनके पास 500 और एंट्री टिकट कितनी है 50 रुपीज पर पर्सन फॉर 4. तो 50 multiply by 4, that is equals to rupees 200 for entry fees. Snacks is 75 rupees and 50 paisa. Game token is 5 tokens each costing rupees 20. So rupees 20 multiply by 5, that is equals to rupees 5 to the 10, 100 rupees. तो total amount कितना हो गया rupees 200, rupees 75.50 and rupees 100. Now put zeros. Total is 50.57 and 3. Rupees 375 rupees and 50 पैसा टोटल स्पेंड हुआ. 500 में से हम माइनस करेंगे 375.50 माइनस here 0 minus 0 is 0, it becomes 10. 10 minus 5 is 5 dot 9 minus 5 is 4, 9 minus 7 is 2 and 4 minus 3 is 1, that is equals to rupees 124.50. Now divide it among 4 friends. Divided by 4. 4 3s are 12, 4 1s are 4 point, 4 1s are 4, 5 10, 4 2s are 8. Rupees 31.12 each. Now in text exercise 1. Question number 1. Add the following. A part, rupees 76.20 and rupees 60.50. So 76.20 plus 60.50. Total is 0. 5 plus 2 is 7 dot 6. 7 plus 6 is 13. Rupees 136.70. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आपको ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. सब्ट्रैक्ट द फॉलोइंग. ए पार्ट, rupees 34.96 from rupees 57.80. So 57.80 minus 34.96. Now 0 minus 6 not possible, we have to borrow. 8 becomes 7, 0 becomes 10, 10 minus 6 is 4, 7 minus 9 not possible, again we have to borrow, it becomes 6, it becomes 17. 17 minus 9 is 8, 6 minus 4 is 2, 5 minus 3 is 2, that is rupees 22.84. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आपको ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. मल्टीप्लाई द फॉलोइंग. ए पार्ट, रुपीज 5.95 by 10. So when we multiply 5.95 by 10, we put the decimal 1 point to the right. So rupees 59.5. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आपको ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. डिवाइड द फॉलोइंग. ए पार्ट, रुपीज 24.90 by 4. 24.90 by 4. 4 6 24 minus 0. We have to put decimal 9. 4 2s are 8 minus 1. 0 4 2s are 8 minus 2. 0 4 5s are 20. Now but we take 6.22. Rupees 6.22 or 23 round up. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आपको ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. सॉल्व द गिवन वर्ड प्रॉब्लम. ए, a school held a fundraiser and collected rupees 1250 from the first grade, rupees 2350 from the second grade and rupees 1800 from the third grade. How much money was collected in total? So we have to add the amount. So rupees in first grade 1250, in second grade 2350 and in third grade it is 1800 rupees. Now 0, 5 plus 5 10, 0 carry 1, 8 plus 2 is 10 plus 3 is 13 plus 1 is 14, 4 carry 1, 2 3 4 and 5, rupees 5400. rupees 5400 in total. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. Now next is bills. Hey, I noticed that whenever my mummy buys groceries, she always asks for a bill. Do you know why? Yes, bill help us to know exactly what we have bought and how much each item cost. It's a way to make sure we are paying the right amount. Oh, so it's like a list of everything we have bought. Exactly. Bills also show the total amount, any taxes and sometimes even discounts. In addition to this, it's a proof of our purchases in case there is a problem later. That's interesting. I think I will start paying more attention to the bill next time. A bill tells us how much money we need to pay for the things we buy. Imagine you just bought some stationery from a store and the cashier gives you a bill. Here is what it might look like. Now, it is a bill, stationery item. Here is a date and bill number. These are the serial number, item, quantity, price per quantity in rupees and total amount. Now, first is pen, 10 quantities, 15 each. Total is 150 rupees. Sharpener 2, 10 rupees is 20 in total. Notebook 6. Each cost 50 rupees, total 300. Glue 1, cost rupees 45, total is 45. Now, grand total is, add them, rupees 515. Now, no more. Different kinds of bills help us to keep track of how much money was spent on different things. Now, first, grocery bills show the cost of grocery items we buy from a store and their total cost. Restaurant bills show the cost of food ordered and the meals we eat. Next, utility bills include monthly charges for electricity, water, internet and other things we use daily. Medical bills show the cost of doctor visit, medicines and treatments. Transport bills show the money spent on the fares for travel by taxi, train, bus or any other vehicle. School bills include tuition fees and other education related costs. Let us make a bill for the following items bought by Sheena. Apple 3 kg at rupees 80 per kg, banana 1 dozen at rupees 50 per dozen, bread 2 loaves at rupees 30 per loaf, milk 4 liters at rupees 45 per liter, eggs 1 dozen at rupees 60 per dozen, sugar 2 kg at rupees 70 per kg, chocolate 2 bars at rupees 45 per bar. Now, bill, ABC, supermarket, date and bill number. This is the serial number, item, quantity, price and amount. Now, first is apple 3 kg, 80 rupees per kg, total is 240 rupees. Banana 1 dozen, 50 rupees per dozen, total is 50. Bread 2 loaves, each 30 rupees, total is 60 rupees. Milk 4 liter, each 45 per liter, total is 180 rupees. Eggs 1 dozen, cost 60 per dozen, so total is 60 rupees. Sugar 2 kg, cost 70 per kg, so total is 140. Chocolate bars 2 bars 45 each, total is 90 rupees. Now add them up, grand total is rupees 820. Now, by using the given steps, we can easily check if the bill is correct. First, check the details, make sure the date and bill number are correct. Next, verify items and quantity, ensure the items and their quantities are what you bought. Now, next, check prices, confirm the prices of each item is correct. Now, calculate the amount, multiply the quantity by the price and check the amounts. Now, check the total, add up the amounts and compare it with the grand total. Next, look for extra charges, make sure there are no hidden charges like taxes or discounts. Now, in text exercise 2, question number 1, make bills for the following items. Now, A, shoes 1 pair at rupees 850, socks 2 pairs at rupees 50 each, water bottle 1 bottle rupees 100, notebook 3 notebooks at rupees 20 each. Now, make a bill. Now, either ABC shop, here date and bill number. Now, here is serial number, here is item, here is quantity, here is price, here is amount. Now, first is shoes, quantity 1 pair, price 850, तो 850 1 जा 850.00. Now second is socks, 2 pairs, rupees 50 each, so total is 100 rupees. Now third is water bottle, 1 water bottle 100 rupees each, so total is 100 rupees. Now fourth is notebook, 3, each cost rupees 20, 3 2 is 60 rupees. Now grand total is 0.0006 plus 5 is 11, 1 carry 1, 8 plus 1 9, 10 and 11 rupees 1110. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. Now question number 2, check the given bill and correct them wherever necessary. Now A part, bill XYZ electronics, date, bill and items. Now first is mobile phone 1, 25,000, amount 25,000, headphone 2, 1200 each, so total amount is 2400. 12 2s are 2400. Charger 1, 500 each, total amount 500. Phone case 1, 350 each, total amount 350. Now add them, 25,000 plus 2400 plus 500 plus 350, total is 00. Now 0, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 4, 12, 2 carry 1, 5 plus 1 6, 7, 8 and 2 rupees 28,250. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बी पार्ट आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट लेट्स पुट इट टुगेदर. First, money is used to buy goods and services and each country has its own form of currency. Next, in Indian currency, rupees and paise are separated by a dot. The digits to the right represent paise and to the left rupees. A bill shows the total amount we owe for items bought and can include taxes or discounts. Next, to check a bill, we first confirm the date and bill number. Then we verify the items, quantities and prices. Then we calculate each item's amount, quantity multiplied by price, add them up to match the grand total and check for extra charges like taxes or discounts. तो बच्चों आई होप आपको चैप्टर समझ आए. इसका रिवीजन आप खुद करेंगे.